Hey, some side-by-side demos for React Notion of collection views. On the left we have standard Notion rendering, on the right we have React Notion rendering. Uh, so first is the table view, probably the most important one. Um, let's check out some different views. List views are pretty simple. Gallery views, probably my favorite one. One thing to note on in kind of standard Notion land, when you open up a record, it opens this kind of sub page, and then you can open it as a page. Whereas currently with React Notion, it just opens it as a sub page, and this is all just running locally, so it's really slow. So no caching, but that's one thing that is not implemented yet. Everything else in terms of um, different properties for gallery views is supported. So here's, for instance, just using some different sizes, and there's the option for these covers here. You can have that either be the cover view of the page or based on the page's content. So if it's the page's content, this is actually the first image that's found within that page. Um, let's see. Board views actually use the exact same card component with very slight changes between gallery views and board views. Um, and then board views are kind of a bitch because they require a completely different type of collection query to get the data kind of sorted by individual column up here, like the group by type mechanic. Uh, and that's pretty much it. Right now, calendar views are not supported because they're kind of their own thing, and I feel like they're less important right now. But everything else, there's obviously still some edge cases and minor things, but kind of the 95% for all of these collection views and the functionality is there.